Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to take a quick look here at Cardano, see what's going on. We're going to update our fibs a little bit since we had that massive wick there, and talk about this tremendously large doji candle, and just quickly pull up some liquidation levels in the back end too, so we can kind of get perspective on what is going on with this coin. So if you are new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I love to teach people to trade. I hope you can learn something here today. Congrats again to our community members for some massive profits on our day trades. Of course, we've been scalping the heck out of Litecoin, XRP, and Solana. Some nice profits there, pretty consistent. Same thing here as well with our most recent trades. We can see we took some Gala profit, 153%, Ethereum Classic 50, SHIB 50, Luna 2, 84%. That all happened last night when I was sleeping, roughly, and just a nice thing there. So again, congrats to our community members. If you want more information on Crypto Cash Premium, just jump on over to cryptocash.tech, my website there, and if you have questions, reach out through Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Be happy to help you out. Okay, so when it comes to ADA, let's just jump quickly into the daily charts. We'll update our fibs here, get some stuff going, and kind of see roughly what's going on here. So first of all, we got to clarify this liquidity level has been fully swept. It was partially swept before, but it's a liquidity level back from July. If you recall, last time ADA pumped, we can see the price action has swept that level. And what do you know? That we're back down to the bottom of this range. Again, that's not a guarantee the price is going to sweep and turn around. It doesn't always happen. It can work as a support. But the truth is, Bitcoin's, I wouldn't say having a bad day, but hit 38,000, right back down to 35.6. What is that? That is garbage. That's exactly what these breakouts are all about, kind of FOMOing people into a 37, 38,000, and then just sweeping all the profit. Okay, so again, happens all the time. Just be mindful. These are I refer to them as whale shenanigans or whale games. So have some fun, but be careful and be safe. All right. So taking a look at TD sequential here, we were overextended leading into a 9 here previously. The resistance, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9th candle again in this overextended state. So truth is, this coin is due for a correction. We saw the price wick down to 35.6 for Bitcoin, and we came all the way down to 34 cents for Cardano. Okay, so be mindful. A minor correction from Bitcoin right now can lead to a catastrophic event for a lot of altcoins right now. We saw this happen earlier, where there's a sea of red, but we had a massive sea of green an hour prior to that. It's garbage in my opinion. I really hate the fact the market does this, but you got to be mindful and aware of it. Okay? And again, the main reason why I don't like it is because I get a lot of new community members, specifically my premium group, asking for me to help recover their portfolio. While I can do that in a small way with signals that I share with you, I can't necessarily recover your losses because you bought the top. Okay, so please, 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 you're gonna take anything from this, don't buy the top, buy red candles, not green candles. Okay, there's a lot of reasons why that's beneficial. Again, it takes patience and a lot of different things. Anyways, what I'm getting at here is this ascending trend is still positive. We're well above the moving averages. There's really nothing here that's truly bearish. So I just gotta kind of tell you that, and preface the fact that this coin's still looking good. Is it overextended? Heck yes, way overextended. We hit our second stochastic RSI here too. 1, 2, that's the recipe for reversal, okay? So again, this happened unfortunately while earlier in the week, and while it did pull back, it was able to recover because Bitcoin was doing well in this ascending channel. Just keep in mind, we are still due for a correction, but the money flow index is high, okay? As the money stays in the coin, that's a very positive sign. So the 4 hour is actually gonna tell us a lot more about that. And what we're looking at here, money flow index, again, still over 70, that's great. RSI getting closer to 50, that isn't bad. It's actually positive to be up over 50 and under 70. I actually prefer that. But truth is, this is not like a clean chart by any stretch. We can see we are diverging here as well as on the MACD. So my anticipation with us being at a 9 here on TD sequential here, a 9 on the daily, I think a correction and a pullback is due, okay? So why don't we take a quick look at the back-end data here. Again, this is Cardano for the last 1 month's worth of leverage. We can see here, and we're gonna exclude kind of the current price action and see that the most amount of liquidation is at about 27 and 26 cents. So right around 26, 25, 26, 27. Those are 3 areas there where we need to note that there's going to be some liquidation occurring if the price pulls back to that level. Okay. Well, basically it just means that there's a lot of longs in profit, and when whales see that, they shoot for that. So just bear that in mind, okay? So again, let's just quickly mark that here just so you can kind of see. 25, 26, 27, it's this range right here that's going to be targeted, okay? Right below, what do you know, the largest amount of volume, okay? Again, it makes sense for liquidity to be just below a large amount of volume because that's essentially a support. Okay, so by no means am I saying this level is just going to get blasted, but if we could come down, we can wick down, what, 10% in 1 hour? Do you really think it's going to be a problem to be able to hit that level if Bitcoin starts to sell off? Just saying. All right, so again, that's kind of where we're at there. So my anticipation here, based on overextension, price needs to pull back. It should pull back to give us a healthy correction. We can kind of see here so far, though, that the two moving averages, the 20 and the 50, are providing some support. This is a little premature, but definitely looking good and positive there. So in truth, we got some conflicting information on the 4-hour time frame. Some are good, some are bad. This previous liquidity level here has been swept. We see this a lot with a lot of altcoins right now. And now that it's been swept, it can potentially free fall from here. Okay, so again, just be mindful of that. Take a look at the 1 hour here. We can go ahead and just quickly note one last thing. On the cloud, most of them are pretty ugly, where we can see that the price action is intersecting with the lagging span, conversion lines below the baseline, and we're traveling almost within the cloud now. So this is a green light to have sold your long position and to have taken profit by now, and to essentially have sold the top. Again, a lot of folks, unfortunately, FOMO'd in right here. I'm sorry. It's okay to do that with your spot back so you can average down, but when you got a large amount of liquidity and leverage, that's a different story. Please do not use high leverage. I just ask you, I beg you, okay? Don't do it. Everyone else out in the world is showing that with all their fancy profits at high leverage, they're either extremely skilled or very lucky. One of the two things occur. You can only be skilled and lucky for so long, right? So just some friendly advice. We use 5x leverage and we're taking 100 to 150% profit within a few weeks usually. Okay, again, that's the kind of trading I like to do. You do what you want to do too. But the truth is here, there's nothing here that's screaming bullish tendencies for this coin, while the weekly and the daily are still looking very, very strong. The micro timeframes, the 1 hour and the 4 hour timeframes are screaming reversal. Okay. Again, there's a good chance we could see a bounce and a reversal. The price continues higher. We have lost our ascending trend, our short-term trend. And again, as more short-term trends start to go away, the longer-term trends are going to be tested. So I think it's kind of just a matter of time before the price action comes on over here. So again, just some friendly advice. The price action could and should pull back here soon. This is likely the highest point in which the price will go in the immediate future. Once more, a different story if Bitcoin recovers, but I'm speculating we're going to see 34 to 36,000 retested from Bitcoin soon. We already kind of nudged into that direction. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Hope this made sense and I helped you understand a little bit more. If you could, please like the video, subscribe, follow, join us on Twitter, Telegram, or Discord, whatever works best for you, and I look forward to working with you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.